that if you exercise tajreed, if you become mujarrad, if you're not dependent upon matter, like Aristotle said, a thing that does not have parts cannot be confined in time. It is impossible. So now we have these three layers, even in Quran. There is God, Sarmad, and there is no passing of time. So if there is no passing of time, how is the change possible in God's knowledge? Well, the knowledge of God doesn't change. Now coming back to the analogy of the cricket ball, the ball is in the hand of the bowler and then the ball is in the hand of the wicket keeper. But these both snaps are in the mind of God at the same moment, because there is no taqaddum or ta'khur in ilm ilahi. There is no beforeness or there is no afterness. So in God's knowledge, all things don't run as sequence, they stay parallel streams at one time. That is a very difficult concept to grasp, and I was telling the students it will be too heavy for people here, but they were insistent. So now, if you have parallel streams in the knowledge of God, how to get there? Because we are here confined temporally and spatially. If you look at us, we have fears and we have regrets. The fears, jisko khauf kehte hain Urdu mein, it is for the future. And the regrets are for the past. What I have done in the past, I regret it. And what is bound to happen to me in the future, I fear it. Khauf hota hai future ke liye, aur huzn hota hai aapke past ke liye. और आयत वलायत में परवरदिगार यही फरमाता है, अला इन्ना औलिया अल्लाह ला खौफुन अलैहिम वला हुम यहज़नून. They don't have the fear of the future and they don't regret the past. If you keep close to the literal meaning of the text, it means that there is a way in which human beings can transcend time through hierarchical motions. And it's a very tough concept to grasp, and I will not take it today. It is just a snapshot I am telling you. Are we done?
5 minutes later.
Oh yeah. Okay. So now, I was not done, but it's okay. So now the question is, if it is a possibility that there can be a night in this place which can be longer than 1000 months, and there can be a realm of dahr in this world in which the 50,000 years of our time is just one day for them, because they are traveling so fast. If it is a possibility, and if a wali can transcend both future and the past, so he's become a son of the moment. He has become son of the time. His time will not lapse. Now, when the knife is thrown on Ismail, वो फिदिया कौन देता है? Zibhin Azim, with the 10th Dhul Hijjah is the sacrifice of Ismail, and 10th of Muharram is the sacrifice of Hussain. It's a sequence, because we live in a sequential world. God gave us exactly the same analogies that we can understand. And Hussain is a transcendent figure. He is the one who exercises tajreed. So when जब छुरी फेरी जा रही है तो आपको कोई फिदिया चाहिए, और उलमा मुझे बताते हैं कि वो जन्नत से मेंढा आया था, वो फिदिया था. Well, it's not a very good replacement, I'm sorry to say. Prophet's family is a much better replacement, and it makes much more sense. तरकना अलैहि फिल आखिरीन, हमने आखिरी लोगों के लिए छोड़ दिया. Now, if you want to understand the hadith, it becomes very clear. अल हुसैन मिन्नी व अना मिन अल हुसैन, मैं हुसैन से हूं. अगर हुसैन उस दिन फिदिये के तौर पर अपने आप को पेश न करता तो इस्माइल काटा जाता. इस्माइल काटा जाता, बनु हाशिम ना होते. बनु हाशिम ना होते तो रसूल दुनिया में तशरीफ न लाते. अल हुसैन मिन्नी व अना मिन अल हुसैन. होप आई हैव बीन एबल टू, इट्स अ वेरी